Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got to another video. In this video I'll show you how you can get Paramount Plus on your mobile phone. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. So for that, simply go ahead, open up your particular app store on your phone. Go to search bar and search in Paramount Plus. Then you're gonna find this kind of interface. Tap on it, tap on this get option given right over here, and now double click and scan for it to start being downloaded in your mobile device. Now you just have to wait till that little blue circle completes. Once that blue circle is completely done, then your app will be simply downloaded and installed automatically in your mobile device, and you can find that on your home screen as well. Now you can just open it up and use it however you would like, and that's basically it. So hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.